Hi, welcome. So in this lecture, we'll go through the installation process of the p4merge tool for Windows. So here we are in the perforce.com, as you can see in the top of my browser. And right now here is a search box right at the top corner of the browser. So you type here p4merge. I have already done a search, so it is visible over here, and we just press enter to start the search. And here in the first search result we get the p4merge. So let's click on this link and it will start loading the page for p4merge. So here you can see the p4merge is available for free download. So let's click on this link and it will start loading the p4merge client. And here you can see the p4merge tool is available for download. So this is the box where you select your OS, and this is the box where you select your particular details about your operating system. So let's go ahead. I'll be doing the download for Windows. So Windows is already selected over here. It is also available for other platforms such as Linux and Mac. So Windows will remain selected here. And here you have x64 Windows, which is for 64-bit, and x86, which is for 32-bit. Since I'm having a 64-bit machine, I'll be selecting this one. And as you can see, immediately the download button gets enabled. So let's click on this download button, and this is something in this box where you can't do anything. It gets automatically populated with the latest version of p4merge client. So let's click on the download button and the download will start. So it will come to a page where it will request you for registration. So you can skip the registration by clicking on this button, and if you wish to register, you can click on this register button. So I'll be going for skipping the registration, so I'll be clicking on this button. So it is asking to wait. Now the download process will start. So here you can see the p4v inst64.exe, which is the binary 44.7 MB, is available for download. So I'll click on the save file button over here. So I'll be selecting the downloads folder which I have in my machine. I'll click the save button. I already have a p4v inst64.exe, so which I downloaded earlier. So I'll replace it and do a fresh download. So I'll click on the yes button and the download starts, as you can see. So it will take a few seconds. I'll pause the video for the timing and will come back when the download is finished. Okay, so here you can see the download is already done. So I can click right over here and start the installer, or I can click here to go to my folder. So I'm using the Firefox browser. So this is my setup. So I'll click over here and just start the installer. So definitely I will allow this app to make change to my PC. So I'll click on this yes button over here and it will start the installation process. So the wizard is actually extracting. It is an MSI installer, as you can see over here, and it is preparing to install, starting the initialization process. So there are several components of this installer, as you can see here. So we'll be actually choosing the third one. So let's deselect the other ones, which is the visual client. We don't need this one. We don't need p4admin as well, and we don't need this command line client. So we need only the visual merge tool, p4merge. So let's click on the next button over here, and now I have the start button which will start installing the p4merge tool. So let's click on the start button and the installation process starts. So as you can see, it says this might take several minutes. So I'll pause the video for time being and we'll come back when the installation process completes. So the installation is almost nearing its end. As you can see, it's copying new files and creating the shortcuts. So here it is. The installation is complete and it thanks us for choosing p4. So you can click the finish button over here to finish and the installation process completes. Okay, so here is my new installation of the p4merge. Here you can see I have installed the p4merge over here and it is installed in the default location in C program files. So this is a folder actually. So if I click on p4, you can see all the files and folders that were commissioned during the installation process. And here is the actual exe file which invokes the visual tool p4merge. So if we click here on this p4merge.exe, it opens the p4merge visual tool. So here this is a diff and merge tool, and so our installation is successfully done. So I'll quit from here. So before I end this lecture, I would like to mention another thing. So if you want to uninstall p4merge tool, you simply click on the binary which you have downloaded. So I have downloaded here in bbash downloads in F drive. So you simply double click this binary file and you click on yes to allow this app to make changes to your PC. So it starts the install shield wizard and it initializes and it automatically detects that there is an existing installation of p4merge and it provides the three options to modify, to repair or to remove. So if you need to uninstall your p4merge tool for any reason, you simply click this remove option and then click on next